Okay, so continuing, we're going to take this bottom piece apart. The one thing you want to be very careful about is your microphone right here. So we're going to actually take that and it should pop right off the cover here. There we go. There's the cover. I'm going to set it aside so we don't end up tearing it because there's a little connector there for it. And this guy slides down in there and the rubber piece goes on over the top. But let's pull him out using this little tool here. We're starting to expose the connector, which is the bottom side here. I'm going to unplug it right there. And then we have two more attachments here. These are the antenna attachments. Be very careful. That's this one and this one. This little pry tool, they should just come right off. Here's the first one. If I can use a plastic one. Being a tad bit stubborn. There we go, I got it. I've had to apply a little pressure with my fingers so I wouldn't break the board. I'm just going to pick these up and put them to the side. This one clips in there at the base of the battery, so take note of that. And we're going to slowly start working up this board. Probably there may be some glue under here, tape, that's what it is. It's taped down, so be gentle. It will, with a little pressure, it will slowly come up. This tape extends underneath there. Just kind of breaking its grip right now. Just about have the board out. I prefer to use this plastic one, but it just doesn't fit all the time. So I think we're pretty well there. See, this is kind of catching. Something else is in here. Let me take a look. Oh, no, we're still just taped. There's the tape has got a pretty good grip in there. You come at it from this angle and I can't just gently work at it. There we go. Slowly but surely, it's coming off. Ooh, tape tore. There we go. Still hooked somewhere here. To the side. Where are we hooked? Oh, we have one more connector there to disconnect. That happens to be this one right here. Almost missed it. Just get your pry tool under there, pop. And the outer circuit board is off. I'm just kind of, well, I'll leave this back. Now this is the connector. Actually, I can pull that tape completely off. I will reuse it though, so I'm going to put it on the back case cover here. Here's the two antenna connectors. I'm just going to push those to the side. We have to get this loose here, this little connector here. Don't know if we can just kind of pull. Yeah, just pull upwards like I am. It is, it's taped. Still, despite it's destroyed, I'm being careful in case I have a problem. This is the connector for the display. There we go. Slowly coming apart. And, ooh, almost have it. Got it. So that's disconnected. We are good to go. I'm going to do another video. I made on how to remove the display now. And I made one more addition to our supply list. That is, I don't have a heat gun, so I'm going to use a blow dryer. I suppose it's the same thing. Maybe not quite as hot, but that will be in the next video. We'll be removing the screen in that one.